Hi guys, welcome back to our channel Tropical Discovery. Thank you all for joining us today. Thanks for all the support, all the subscribers that have been subscribing and liking and commenting on our videos. Today's video we are going to talk about the top 10 fish which you can have for your nano aquariums. So a lot of us usually when we get our first aquarium we decide to get a small aquarium which we can put in one corner and just start to enjoy it. So when we are having a small scale aquarium, it's also important to know which type of fishes you can keep in those aquariums. So let's start. At number one, I would suggest would be a zebra danios. This is an excellent fish for beginners. They are very hardy. They can go with any kinds of water parameters. They don't require any specific, water temperature or any kind of specific food. They will do very well in your tanks. I have had mine since the beginning, and they look spectacular in the tank with all the different colors that you see them in. Now with these fish you would want to have at least more than 6 of them together, because it's a shoaling fish and they like to swim all together in one unity. On number two, we have the mollies. Mollies again are very beautiful fish. They come in different types of colors and shades, and these are again live bearers. They will give birth live in the tank, so you will see the babies floating around everywhere once they start popping. So make sure that when you have mollies, also you have adequate number of males and females, put together, so you can watch them reproduce and enjoy this fish. On number three, we have the guppies. Guppies are a very beautiful fish. They have these large fan tails which look spectacular and very beautiful. They will come in many different colors and vibrant colors. Again, these are live bearers. They will give live babies and they do reproduce a lot. So when you have these in your tank, make sure again for these you have males and females both to enjoy the live breeding. On number four, we have the neon tetras. These are very beautiful fish. I have had them for a long time as well. And what is good about this fish is when they have this certain kind of blue mark on their body. So whenever you have them under high intensity light, you can see this fish really glowing in the dark, like a glow in the dark fish. And it's a shoaling fish, so you need to have at least more than 6 of this fish in your tank if you plan to keep them. Number five, we have the betta fish. Betta fish, I'm sure every one of us must have seen it as a child and really love this fish. It is one of the few fish that can be hand trained to eat food from your hands, and you need to take care of this fish, as you can't keep this with other fish, as its other names suggest, which is called a Siamese fighter. It's a fighting fish, so it will definitely pick on the small fish in the tank if you keep it. On number six, we have the Corridoras or the Corridora catfish. This is a beautiful species to have in your tank. They are very good cleaners for the tank. We all need a cleanup crew, to keep our tanks clean. And this is one of the fish which will do a really good job at eating all those food particles that get remain at the bottom of your tank. On number seven, we have the hill stream loach. This is a pretty fish. It also looks like a mini stingray, so it will draw a lot of attention. It looks beautiful, and this fish is also a bottom dweller, so it will clean off all the algae in your tank and will make sure that all your surfaces look clean and neat. Whatever food particles always remain down at the bottom, this fish will make sure it eats each and one of them. On number eight, I have the coolie loach. This is one of my favorite fish which I have in my tank. This fish will usually, they are very playful. They will like to go up and down the tank, and move everywhere around. But they are nocturnal, so they will only come out at night once it's dark or your tank light setting is turned down low, like you see here. At number nine, we have cherry shrimps and amano shrimps. Shrimps are again very nice species to have in the tank. These guys are excellent cleanup crew. They will do a very good job in cleaning, especially all the debris and the algae that gets formed on your plants. These shrimps will make sure they pick it down one by one and clean all your plants really nicely. They do also breed a lot, so make sure when they are breeding you separate them from the other fishes and keep them in a different tank so they are safe. On number 10, I have the Netrite snails. These slow moving creatures may look like they don't do much, but trust me guys, these are excellent cleanup crew for your glass surfaces or any flat surfaces that you might have in the tank. They move along these surfaces and make sure they leave it spick and span and shining for you. So that's all the fish for today guys. If you enjoyed watching this video and if you found my information helpful to you, then please do hit the like button. If you're new to the channel, then subscribe and hit the bell notification to get notified for the upcoming videos. Thank you.